Diego Amador. Right now we are in the middle of the construction of the car center. It's going to be like a Jiffy Lube, like a place where people they can bring their car and they know that we're going to fix it and we're going to do it right. So right now we are in the final stage of the finishing the construction. Pretty much we're thinking to finish in like a month from now. Everything comes together. Like when you're thinking about doing a business, you have to make sure from the beginning when you're building right. So at the end, the last product that you're gonna sell is gonna sell the good product. So for us to build a building this size with this quantity of meters where we're gonna be working, you wanna make sure that you are putting your money with the right materials. Otherwise, it's like you'll be wasting your money. So you have to make sure that the materials that you're buying are first-class materials in order to have the building in the way how you want to have the finished product. I get all my products that I buy them from Comaco. Well, first of all, because the service, the price, and when I have a problem, they always find a solution for the materials that I need for the construction. This is not the first time that I've been having business with them. I've been in the area for the past 8 years, and all the houses that I have done and other remodels that I have done in the area, I bought everything from Comaco. Yes, I will recommend Comaco, absolutely, no doubt.